Everything you see, from the drifting nebulae to the firing of your own synapses, is governed by 4 fundamental protocols. We call them forces, but they are more akin to the source code of a cold, indifferent machine. They are the invisible threads that weave the fabric of reality and the iron bars that cage every atom in existence. Observe the mechanics of the void. Gravity is the weakest of the 4, yet it is the master architect of the macrocosm. It is the curvature of space-time itself. It is a long-range pull that knows no shield. Gravity gathers the debris of the Big Bang and forges it into suns and black holes. It does not care for life, it only cares for mass. You are anchored to this rock, not by choice, but by the relentless geometry of a distorted vacuum. It is the force that builds worlds, only to eventually crush them into singularities. If gravity shapes the stage, electromagnetism provides the props. It is the force of light, chemistry, and the illusion of touch. It is trillions of times stronger than gravity. Yet it is perfectly balanced in the macro scale. Without this protocol, atoms would not bind. Molecules would not form. You would be a cloud of disconnected particles drifting in a lightless abyss. This force creates the electromagnetic barrier that prevents you from falling through the floor. It is the architect of the solid world, a sophisticated hallucination generated by the repulsion of charged fields. Deep within the heart of the machine lies the strong nuclear force. It is the most powerful interaction in the known universe. It binds quarks into protons and protons into nuclei. Its range is infinitesimally small, yet its grip is absolute. This is the force that defied the electromagnetic repulsion of the nucleus. It is the raw power that stars tap into during fusion. It is the heavy anchor of matter. If this protocol were to flicker for even a microsecond, every atom in the universe would instantly disintegrate into a chaotic spray of subatomic shrapnel. The world exists only because this force refuses to let go. The fourth protocol is the most subtle, the weak nuclear force. It does not pull or push, it transforms. It is the only force capable of changing the very identity of a particle. Through beta decay, it allows the sun to burn. It is the reason the universe is not a static museum of hydrogen. It introduces the element of change, and with it, the inevitability of decay. The weak force is the ticking clock of the cosmos. It ensures that every star will eventually die and every atom will eventually change. It is the protocol of transience in a machine of iron laws. We search for a grand unified theory, a single equation to rule them all. But for now, the machine remains fragmented. 4 engines, 4 laws, one indifferent reality. You are a byproduct of their interaction, a temporary glitch in a 4-part harmony, until the 4 become 1, and the ledger returns to 0. Observe. This is Science Odyssey.